guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You remember in my last video I told you I was going to 6M's, the retreat and prayer center, which is this one, as you can read. So here I am. I've been here for 4 days. I'm about to go back to Nairobi, but I wanted you to accompany me to Nairobi. But before you do that, I had promised to show you the retreat center. So come in with me. Do I need to say anything more? So what do people do here? People come here to just relax, do some retreats. If you are a group, you can come and do your thing. You can come and do your trainings and whatever. But also people come here to pray and meditate or plan about something that you have that you want to plan. So the first time I came here, I slept in that house there. The house behind, the hall behind was not built, and this apartment block here was not built. So yeah, I want to take you where I have been spending, but in the meantime, this is the parking area. You park your car here, and then once you park your car, you walk this direction, because I've been spending on this apartment here. So I want you to come and see how it looks inside. If you're not a Kenyan, enjoy the way Kenyans we do things. But if you're Kenyan and you would like to do a retreat or have some alone time, this is a good place. And I want to repeat, this place is in Embu. Actually, it's about 7 kilometers from Embu town, and it's a nice place. So considering that I've driven from Nairobi to this place, so it's a good place. A lot of people come, but it's not usually crowded. So yeah. So I've been spending on this apartment block. We're about to walk inside, so you see how it looks. So when you come in, the first thing is that you find this area here where you leave your shoes here, and then you pick some slippers, or if you have your own slippers that you had packed, you can remove them and wear them into the building. So normally when you come in, I would actually, in a normal situation, I would have to remove my shoes, leave them here on this rack, and then pick slippers, or I can even leave on that rack there. Pick slippers here, these ones are left here. But if you have your own slippers, you come with your slippers and then you walk in them inside. And when you come in, this is the first ground floor. So this is how it looks like. You have a kitchen, and then on that other side you have a kitchen here. You have some area to sleep. These are the rooms. You have room 2 and room 1 here. Yes, and then on the other side you have a sitting area. You have a sitting area that sometimes would have some TV set, but there isn't a TV set here. So this is your sitting area. So if you are a group, it's enough for you. If you're one person, great. Yeah, and then you have other rooms where you sleep. Yes, so we are going to go up the stairs into where I have been spending for the last 4 days. And I usually prefer upstairs when I come here. So you come here, first thing you find, there is this table here. You can have your dinners here. There are more seats, but we moved seats around, but you will find enough seats here if you need them. So there is a dining table, and then there is a sitting area here. Then there is another dining table in case you have many people. There is a TV set, some coffee table, whatever, and then there's some drinking water. You can take your water from there. There is also rooms. Each floor has 4 rooms for where you sleep. So there is that room, and there is that one. And then on the other side, we have a kitchen here. We have a kitchen, this kitchen. The kitchen has a fridge. This is a bit of shopping. I'm leaving these ones. These are some of the things I bought. These are some of the things I bought coming here with some spaghetti and stuff. I'm leaving these ones for probably for the next person. But I bought some spaghetti, some eggs, some milk. This is not spent. So the next person is lucky. They will split. They'll have some things that they've not bought. Some cereal. Yeah, so you do your shopping. By the way, when you're coming here, you do your own shopping. And you come and cook. If you need a cook, a cook can be provided. So you will have utensils. You have, like, you can see cups, some thermoses, the sink. Generally, this is how the kitchen looks like. You have a cooker, a microwave, and all that. And then you have another small table here. When you're cooking, you can have a sitting, some space to sit. So I've been spending my night in this room, which is number 5. Yeah. Welcome. This is where I've been spending my night, in this room. So you find a bed, and then there's a study table here. There is, in some rooms you will find there's an extra bed, but in some rooms there are no extra beds. And then there is a balcony which is sizable enough. There is this balcony, so you can always get outside and do your study or whatever, or just relax. By the way, some people just come here just to relax. They just want to have a me time. So you just relax. You can look at the trees outside. I like this place because they really care about the environment. You'll find, a lot of trees and a lot of nature. So yeah, I think that's it. I can show you another room just before we finish. Yeah, a lot of nature. It's very peaceful also. There is very minimal noise. Most of what you will hear is actually birds. Yeah. Even when all rooms are occupied, you will not have a lot of noise. So it's very peaceful. If you want to write a book, maybe, or you have a project like that, good idea. I want to show you one more room, and then that's it. We will start our journey to Nairobi. So this is one more room. At least this one has a mosquito net. So this one looks like this. Side table, there is your bed, and there is this seat here. It's a little different from what I showed you. In the one I showed you did not have this seat. You have all that, and you have your bathroom. Yeah, you have your bathroom there. And then there is another balcony. All rooms have balconies. You have your nice balcony with a very great view here. Yeah. So generally that is it. This is where I was coming from. Ruiru? And so now we are about to go back to Nairobi. And yes, come with me to Nairobi. So let's go to Nairobi. So guys, I've noticed the same route I'm going to use to go back to Nairobi is the same one I used to come to Embu. So if you want to see the route and the sceneries, please watch my last video. But in the meantime, please enjoy some beautiful sceneries and landmarks in the beautiful town of Embu. And I'm going to talk about a few of them as we drive across. As you notice, Embu has very beautiful roads, and the transport system is it's amazing. If you want to use public means from Nairobi to Embu, it's very easy. There are actually some buses that are direct. You go in Nairobi and voila, it takes you straight express up to Embu. So transport is great. Embu is a beautiful town, and it is in the larger Mount Kenya region in the country of Kenya. By the way, I'm doing this video in Kenya. Kenya is a country in East Africa, just in case you've never been to Africa. It's a very beautiful place. Whenever you visit, I would encourage you to have a plan of visiting Embu and towns around. It's very, very beautiful, very beautiful. Embu County has got, okay, just before I continue with that, that is one of the landmarks on my left, as you can see. That is the that is the sign for Embu County. In many towns in Kenya, they have signs. Like, for example, if you are entering Thika, you will find a pineapple sign, just like what you saw there. That one is for Embu. So yes, and then they are constructing a new stadium. That is what you're looking at right now. That is a new stadium they are constructing in Embu. Actually, it's under construction. There is a lot of works that are going on. That is also a landmark. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment on the video, and also make sure to watch my last video. Bye bye.